Hello everyone, today we are going to work on fire damage for these ALS characters. So let's see how to implement this today. So there is a damage threshold. Once that threshold is over, character starts burning. Okay, so at the moment, if I use the flamethrower, this is what happens. As you can see, these characters are not really getting burned. So, and also the decals spawn are not attached to the character. If I go near here, you can see those decals are in the space. That's why they are visible on the player character. Right, so how do we make it appear properly on this ALS character, and how do we make the character get damaged from the fire? That's what I'm going to work on today. First, let me open the flamethrower. In emit bullet, actually what we are doing is we do a line trace and determine if there is a hit space, we spawn decal at that point, and then we call on fire hit through CLM-VPI damageable interface. Right, I think here also I should have used this bullet damage. Instead of giving a constant parameter, that's not actually relevant. So here, in order to, if we want to keep it attached to the body, what we should do is, instead of we using this spawn decal at location, we should use spawn decal attached. Let's try that node and put this side decal size. Let's use the same values as the previous node. Burn decal. So if you don't remember, we worked on this some time ago in the third-person shooter series, so I'm not going to explain all these things because I have already done so. So you can refer to previous videos if you don't remember, or if you are watching starting from here. Rotation is calculated here, and attached to component, we should get from here out hit component, and attach point name. For that, let's give this one name, but if we are hitting static mesh or something else, we may not get an invalid value here, but I don't think that would be a problem. Right, location type, let's leave the default value. Okay, now let's see if the decal is... oh, it's not appearing now. Why? Let's try keep world position here. Alright, now it works. Now let's see if it stays attached. It does, but basically it works, but we have some issues. But it's better than what we had before. But still, we have some offset actually in the gun. So I think we can fix it if we get the target here. And also we can get the NS flash and get world location. Then we can do find look at rotation to this target, and let's set rotation and see if that offset is gone. Yeah, now there is no offset. It properly goes to the target location. Okay, now the damage part. So what we deal damage, the fire damage through this on fire hit. And let's look into the implementation of previous character. Here, 𝐂𝐴𝐧𝐴, where is fire damage? On fire hit, not fire damage, sorry. This is the way we have implemented this. We use the same. Oh, we have this burning boolean. Where do we use it? I think we use this. Not sure. We spawn a fire particle from the character and add the scream sound and play an animation montage. Yeah, there are some stuff going on, and change the material of the character, but this part may not be applicable unless we modify the material of the ALS character. And after a while we deactivate fire particle. Okay, let me copy this on fire hit into the ALS character. This is on explosion hit. Let me collapse this. copy, right. Oh, it is implemented as a custom event. Okay, let's collapse this to on fire hit. Oh, actually this is not fire hit, this is explosion. This is fire hit. Oh wait, sorry. Did I paste it here? Yeah, I have pasted it in the 𝐂𝐴𝐧𝐬𝐴 itself. I should paste it here. Sorry about that. Wait. Okay, let's collapse this. On fire hit. Right now here we need to use the damage. Macro. And here also I think we have the damage macro, because once we start, once the character is set on fire, it should burn until it dies, so and create variable fire particle. And create variable burning. Wait, where is fire particle? Oh, here. Okay, and also I need to retarget this montage to ALS. Where did it say? Right, this is not where it should be. It should be moved to this common folder. Right, it should be played in multiple slots, including spine, arms. Alright, let's just use them and use this montage. Alright, can we test now? Right, it is working. What if we add some random impulse when the character is burning? How can we do that? Yeah, just like we added this impulse on bullet hit here, we can use the same function, but instead of the direction we can have some random direction. Let's copy this part. Direction from jet. No, we can just create a random direction like this. Random float in range between -1 and +1. So this is just the direction, so 1 should be fine. Let's if we have a value between -1 and +1, we can get something like 0 as well. So I'll make the value in between 0 and 1. Sorry, not 0 and 1. We always need to have some movement. 1 and 2. Then this value, let's select with a random body. And let's make it either -200 or +200. That seems fine. Right. Maybe instead of just giving a solid value, let's randomize this as well. Okay, so I'm not going to do this material modification for today because I already have something that works, so I'm going to ignore this part. And yeah, I'm going to stop this episode right here. And thanks for watching. So as always, project files will be available for the download in Patreon page. Link could be in the description below. If you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.